Because just as the memories of our earliest days have been confined to dusty letters and faded pictures, the time will come when few people remember drinking from a colored water fountain, or boarding a segregated bus, or hearing in person Dr. King's voice boom down from the Lincoln Memorial. We tell the story for the daughter who clutches a faded photo of her father, forever young, for the child who runs his fingers over colorful ribbons he knows signifies something of great consequence, even if he doesn't yet fully understand why. I know that after a frenzy of news reports for several weeks, Ebola has faded from the headlines.